Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook. Last summer, our family went to Hiroshima and Miyajima, where we enjoy lots of fresh, succulent, and delicious oysters. We especially love kaki fry, which is Japanese panko-crusted deep-fried oysters. Ready to enjoy some crispy, tasty oysters with homemade tartar sauce? Let's get started. If you enjoy this video, please give me thumbs up and click subscribe for more easy Japanese recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in my next video. またね!